Welcome guys to the graveyard shift with me, Anthony Parkin. I'm currently working from midnight until midday tomorrow, lunchtime, 12-hour shift. And I'm making this video because I was sitting there and I was just thinking to myself, what the hell am I doing sitting in a factory at this time in the morning? Why am I accepting this as my life and the way that I have to make a living? Because we all have these dreams and aspirations of progress and getting further ahead and working the job of our dreams or living the life of our dreams. And I'm sitting here thinking at this time of the morning, like, how the hell am I ever going to achieve those things when I'm working this kind of life? You know, you get home at midday, you're too tired to do anything, you just want to go straight in the shower, straight to sleep. You wake up, it's not natural time, so you still don't feel refreshed or re-energized. You don't eat properly. You know, it's just not good for you. And I saw a video not so long back. Actually, I made a video myself about night shift after I'd just finished one. I can link that up there somewhere for you if you want to watch it. But I watched a video of this health expert who said that working this night shift can actually reduce your life by 15 years. And I'm thinking to myself, wow, is it really worth losing 15 years of your life just to get an extra little bit of money in your back pocket to work these night shifts, just to make somebody else richer? It took me 43 years to sort of realise that. And I'm sitting here now. Well, I'm not sitting, I'm walking around obviously, but I'm in here tonight now and I've just had enough. And I'm thinking, that's it. I want to grow this YouTube channel and I'm not getting anything done because I'm always tired. I cannot be bothered to think. I cannot be bothered to do anything. I just want to sleep, work. And that's just not an existence. In fact, it is an existence. It's not a life. It's just an existence. Yeah, so that's it. I've just picked this camera up and this is the moment where I am going to start focusing 100% on this YouTube channel, because everything that you want to achieve in your life, any progress that you want to make, it's going to include some form of pain, you know, or struggle. You're going to have to put yourself outside of your comfort zone, and that's a law on making progress. Progress is never easy and straightforward. It's always uncomfortable and difficult and painful. Think about when you go to the gym, for example. You first go to the gym, it hurts, man. You know, you think, oh God, I can't do this. You're breathing out your arse, you're sore, you can't move the next day. It's hard, but the more you go, the more you keep doing it, it gets less hard. It becomes almost enjoyable because you start seeing progress. So you can't get progress without pain. And the same goes with everything in life. If you want to get ahead in your life financially, in your love life, everything's going to require a little bit of sacrifice. And with sacrifice becomes pain and uncomfortable. So this video, as I've said, is my starting point. I've grown 143 subscribers on my channel without really trying, really sporadically making videos just to get my points of view across. And it really is a case, if you're my age, if you're in your midlife, you could start a YouTube channel, because we have a lot of advice and life experiences to share and pass on to other people, and people will listen to you, people will relate to you. I'm sure there are thousands of people out there who work night shifts, who work in factories, who are just pig sick of their life and existence doing it. And they'll relate to everything I'm saying on this video because it's true, it's real life. You know, it's not fake, it's not, you know, it's not glamorized for YouTube. This is just real life. That's why I thought, sod it, I'm at work now, I can video this at work. People can see where I am, how shit it looks, and how shit it must be to be sitting in here at 2:45 in the morning with 9 hours still to go. You know, it's just not good. So that's the plan. Get on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. We're going to do this now. I'm going to do this. I'm going to start showing up. I'm going to start making videos. I'm going to start passing on the advice and the things that I've got in my mind that I think are worth sharing and people will listen to. Because you can make a living from doing YouTube. There's people out there now doing exactly this, and people are flocking to them, and they've got people who are relating to them, and they're having like the same sort of struggles in their life. So and when you get to that threshold where you can get monetized, you can make a living, you can get out of your shit job. You know, you might not get rich, you're not going to become a millionaire. You might become a millionaire actually, but the odds are you're probably not going to be. You could make a good living from doing something that's actually enjoyable, where you're not suffering in your health and your mental health and your physical health in a job that's just paying the bills. You'll be working for yourself and you'll be helping other people, not just some big man sitting in a corporate office looking at the numbers wanting to get richer. So that's my video for tonight, guys. I am at work, so I better get some work done. Can't sit around here talking all night, but I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.